And you know what my plan is this year? To be smart, to make sure that I grow my business and I skyrocket and I hit my goals, I hit my targets. What up, Overcomer Nation? It's your boy John, out here on the site getting some shit done. We're actually pulling tint off of these windows here. So we're doing the window cleaning, but also since it's a post-construction, you can see they have a little strap, safety strap, and then they also have the window tint. So we got a scissor lift back in here, 40-foot scissor lift, goes all the way to the top, pulling a lot of this stuff out. And you know, it's kind of a bitch because some of it we're able to reach with our hand, and then others are indented, so we're not able to access on the access point. But we got a good plan. We got razors, we got extension poles. You can see here how close the scissor lift is to the wall, which will reach to the window. But then if you look right here, this is actually indented here, so it goes further in on the wall. So when we access with the scissor lift right here, it's going to be kind of a tight squeeze. So we have to use extension poles with our razors in order to access it. Anyways, this is a construction cleanup job. We're fully harnessed up, ready to rock. Make sure you got your safety gear on, right? Keep pushing, guys. I know you guys are trying to get through the winter right now. I know things are tough. I know they're not always the easiest, but you know what? What can you do, man? You got to keep showing up. You got to be a hard worker. And then you got to be smart. And you know what my plan is this year? To be smart, to make sure that I grow my business and I skyrocket and I hit my goals, I hit my targets, is scaling, man. And everybody wants to know, like, why can't they scale? And it, you know, for me personally, for 5 years, you know, almost 9 now actually, in the construction, no, not in construction, but as an entrepreneur, I've wondered the same thing. Like, how do you scale? How do you take your business to the next level? And I've always been one to take risk on hiring employees and you know, getting guys in and stuff like that. But true scale where you're able to take your business to the next level, you're able to hit 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures. What you need is, you need a team. You need people, okay? Not just workers, not just people in the field. You also need an office staff, okay? Not only do you need an office staff, you need an operations manager, you need a sales manager. You need all forefronts. And so I think this is like the biggest reason why businesses never grow and why they never fully succeed, is because they don't scale properly. And so if you're a business and you're trying to scale, you're trying to grow, I mean, you can only hit such a top line revenue by yourself or with a helper, okay, or 2 or 3. You can only get so big. Your top line can only grow so much, especially if you're in the service business, right? You're only as good as the work you can complete. And so if you're trying to grow your business, you know, be ready to hire people. And don't look at it as a loss, okay? It's an investment. It's going to pay off. It might take some time, and you need to make sure that you're staying on it. But once you have that team in place, not only in the field, and then you got the operations manager, and you got your sales manager, and everything's firing on all cylinders, man, think of it like this. If you can duplicate yourself, okay, all the stuff you do in your business, and you're doing, I don't know, 250, 300, maybe $500,000 a year, okay? And you're doing it all on your own. Maybe you got 2 guys helping you, okay? And you're in your service business, or you're in any business for that matter, and you're doing about 300, 500,000 a year, and you're happy because you're making 6-digit figures, you're making 100,000 a year, 200,000 maybe. But what's going on is you're like, fuck, like, I'm only capping out at 300,000, 500,000. Like, how do I get more? How do I make more money, right? That 300, 500 can't duplicate because you're only one person with 2 helpers. Now, think of it like this. If you can duplicate yourself multiple times over, where 2, 3, 4 times, where there's 2, 3, 4 of you, what would that be like? Think of it like this. If you're already doing 300,000, maybe 500,000, times that by 3. Now you got a $1.5 million business because you duplicated yourself 3 times. You were able to do 3 times the activity, 3 times the sales, 3 times the HR, 3 times the paperwork, 3 times the leadership, 3 times the coaching. I mean, man, that's 3 times. So it's very simple. If you want to scale your business, you want your business to grow, you want to make more money, you want your business to take off, hire more people, okay? Hire staff, hire workers, hire foremen, promote people, promote leadership, okay? Get operations managers, sales managers, everything that you possibly can, because that's what's gonna take your business and your goals to the next level. Look at this project we're working on right now. We're doing this massive beast right here. This is a 250 unit hotel right here. You can see it's 2 hotels in one actually, and we're pulling all the tint off of the windows. We're getting ready to do the window cleaning, and then we're also doing all the interior cleaning on top of this project. So pretty fun project. We've been out here for about a month now. We got another month to go, and we're gonna hit it full strong. But if you want your business to scale, once again, you want your business to grow, you need to hire people, you need to scale, you need to promote people, you need to put people in positions so you can 3x, 4x, 5x your business. If you're all on your own, you're never gonna get anything done. Ain't that right, bro?
Right.
Ain't that right, Big Joe? Joe just started with us. How long ago you started with us, Joe?
Like 3 weeks.
3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
What you doing in here, man?
You know, wilding and bowling.
What type of work you doing?
Cleaning, you know, just bathrooms, all that window work.
Yep.
All that easy stuff.
Interior final cleans, huh?
Yep.
Are you ready to get on the scissor lift?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You scared of heights?
No.
No?
Not anymore.
You ready to get trained on this thing or what?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. We're gonna have more jobs for you, man, soon. So,
yeah.
So we just hired Joe, and the reason why, man, is because we're growing, man. We're scaling. We're trying to get our business to the next level. You can't grow your business if you don't have people in your business. One person is not strong enough. You need multiple avenues, multiple flows, multiple people. You need operations managers, sales managers, foremen. You can't do this shit all on your own. You know, if you want to be a solopreneur, which is a one-man show, you're never gonna get anywhere. Where'd Jose go?
He went to get soap. He put soap in something.
Oh, okay. So keep showing up, okay? Stay hungry, stay on it. But if you want your business to grow, you want it to scale. Maybe you're doing 100,000 a year right now. You're doing 200,000, maybe $500,000. But if you want to go to 1.5 million, 2 million, $3 million a year, you can only do so much activity by yourself. Meaning, and I already told you this, but if you're doing $200,000, $300,000 in a year, and you got you and one other person that's helping you, imagine the activity if you duplicated yourself 3, 4, 5 times. If you were able to get another person, give them the skills and what you possess, and they're able to handle that, now you're scaling, now you're growing. And everybody wants to grow and they want to scale, but they don't want to hire people. They don't want to spend the money on the people. They just want to take all the money for themselves. So sacrifice a little bit, stop spending the money on yourself, hire somebody. Stop being selfish, man. You're selfish if you only have one employee. You're selfish if you work by yourself. Don't be selfish, man. Give someone a job, give them some money, man. Make them some money, you know, do something for them. You know what I mean? And then you're gonna take your business to the next level. Anyways, I gotta get back to this job. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Overcomer Nation.